Hey guys, we're doing the random for the Optic Premium box set. For today it's 3:39, 10 PM Melbourne time. Random is live, dice roll, no snake eyes, participants, 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. There we go, teams. 5, opening it. Oh, don't forget. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Random is complete. Yes. Okay, so we've got Charles with Nets, Nancy Kings, Dale Spurs, Charles Bucks, Paul Cotton Hawks, Lane Pistons, Charles Thunder, Jeremy Cavs, Nancy Pelicans, Paul Nuggets, Andrew Pacers, Paul Blazers, Nancy Rockets, Paul Cotton Knicks, Charles Bulls, Coulson Sixers, Charles Suns, Lane Clippers, Nancy Raptors, Andrew Warriors, Charles Lakers, Simon Heat, Dale Mavericks, Charles Wizards, Nick Bulls, Cotton Grizz, Charles Magic, Nancy Celtics, Hutchinson Jazz, and Charles Hornets. And that's the way it is.